Is the Vego garden raised bed worth the hype? Find out. Ready to elevate your gardening game? We're diving deep into the Vego garden raised garden bed to see if it lives up to the buzz. Let's get growing. The Vego garden raised bed arrives as a kit, promising easy assembly. It boasts a modular design, allowing for multiple configurations. The olive green finish gives it a modern, appealing look. The kit includes all necessary panels and hardware. The components are well packed to prevent shipping damage. The instructions are clear, making assembly straightforward. This raised bed stands out with its 9-in-1 modular design. Gardeners can customize the shape to fit their space. It's perfect for small urban gardens or larger backyards. The VZ 2.0 material is a game changer. It's a zinc, magnesium, and aluminum-coated steel. This makes it incredibly durable and corrosion resistant. Assembly is surprisingly easy even for beginners. The oval design eliminates sharp corners for safety. The included rubber edging adds an extra layer of protection. At 17 inches tall, it offers ample depth for root development. This height also reduces strain on your back and knees. It makes gardening more accessible and enjoyable. With a 4.8-star rating from over 1,200 reviews, it's clear people love this product. Many praise its ease of assembly and sturdy construction. The food-safe materials are also a big plus. Customers appreciate the flexibility and suitability for various gardening needs. While some find it a bit pricey, most agree it's a worthwhile investment. Check out the latest reviews on the product page. Compared to traditional wooden beds, the Vego garden offers superior longevity. Wood tends to rot and warp, requiring frequent replacement. The Vego garden's metal construction ensures a longer lifespan. Compared to other metal beds, the VZ 2.0 material provides enhanced corrosion resistance. This makes it a durable and eco-friendly choice. See how it compares to other Vego garden beds. The Vego garden raised garden bed is a solid choice for any gardener. Its modular design, durable materials, and ease of use make it a winner. It's an investment that will pay off for years to come. Ready to start your dream garden? Click the link in the description to check the current price and availability. Don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips and reviews.